Today on Mad Recipes, Uncle Ponyboy will be cooking a highly nutritious and healthy food that keto people despise. Do you know what this is? If you guessed beef liver, you are correct. Beef liver is a nutritious food item that is naturally high in protein, vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. Despite its many benefits and the fact that people regularly consume beef products, beef liver is not a popular choice. Start by chopping a large onion, my keto people. Let's season the beef with salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder on both sides. It's super easy. Don't be afraid, Uncle Ponyboy will hold your hand and guide you through this. Hold on, let me turn on the music so that we're cooking to the beat. Go ahead and put a pan on the stove. Turn the heat to medium and put some oil in the pan. Once it gets hot, toss your beef in the pan. You'll fry it for 3 minutes, flip it, and then fry it for another 3 minutes. After that, add your chopped onion in. Put your beef on top of the onion and let it cook on high heat. Let it caramelize so that it gets this awesome color. Squeeze in half of a lime. Now look at this. It's perfect. Let me know if you'll try this mad good recipe before you die. If you want to cook like a boss, this is the channel for you. I won't ask you to subscribe and turn on notifications because you should already know what to do if you enjoy this kind of content. Try My Chow Season 2 is here. Enjoy Mad Recipes.
Mad Recipes only on Try My Chow.